In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT creatively to develop unique online business ideas tailored to your interests and skills, specifically focusing on health and wellness startups on a budget. Now, before we dive in, it's important to set the stage with some groundwork. First, you'll need to head over to chat.openai.com and log into your ChatGPT account. This platform will be your creative powerhouse, offering a broad range of possibilities for business ideas. Once you're logged in, you're ready to make your request. A well-crafted request is crucial. You want to be clear and specific to get the best ideas tailored to your needs. Consider this example. Ask ChatGPT to act as a startup idea generator and suggest 10 unique online business ideas that require less than a $500 starting budget, align with your skills in graphic design, fit your interests within health and wellness, target a growing market expected in 2025, and can be managed solo or with a small team. For each idea, ask it to include the target audience, the main product or service, and an explanation of why it will thrive come 2025. With your request made, it's time to closely review the output from ChatGPT. Ensure you carefully look over each proposed idea. Use this moment to select one that resonates the most with you, something you feel excited and passionate about. Let's say you've decided on a printable wellness journal store, a concept that perfectly marries your design skills with the booming wellness sector. Your next task is to dig deeper into this chosen idea. For a printable wellness journal store, create a comprehensive business brief. Start with an elevator pitch, a concise and compelling summary of your business concept. Then, identify 5 key benefits your customers will enjoy. Follow with 3 main challenges you might face and potential solutions for these issues. Think about how you'll generate revenue and provide an example of your first product, possibly a themed wellness journal that will set the tone and standard for future offerings. Now, let's bring your idea to life with a distinctive identity. Use ChatGPT to suggest 10 catchy business names, keeping an eye out for those with available .com domains. Additionally, develop a memorable tagline. Choose a color palette that aligns with wellness themes, promoting calm and positivity. Finally, identify 3 brand personality words that encapsulate the essence of your business. The final step is to organize all the information you've gathered so far. Copy all responses received from ChatGPT into a Google Doc. Arrange them in a logical order. Start with your innovative idea, follow with the business brief, then branding details, and finally, outline your product plan. This document essentially becomes your starter business plan, a vital resource for turning this idea into a reality.